to the Mix lovelies and friends. And on the Mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia sent in a message for the Plankatarians. And she said them know that whenever Donna is keeping an event, it's going to be a showdown. Apparently, she said that what's going to happen is that as long as Donald Trump is in office, she is going to call immigration, well, ICE, basically, on that party, just like they did for her to sabotage her. She said allegedly. So, guys, you're gonna have to go ahead and catch the video because she has more to say about a lot of stuff. So go and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness and prosperity, and all that your heart desires today. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, whatever you may call me out there, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful Sunday.
I don't want none of you to come up here and come tell me nothing when to stop or when not to stop. I must know when to stop and when not to stop. And I will repeat myself like a broken record. Any dirty girl or any big pussy girl without your talk about my party was flop. As I said before, tilt your head down under your foot. And if you can't tilt your head under your foot to sit down there, you should be able to see down there because the only thing flap is your long pussy tongue will stretch out like a elastic band at that underneath to the flap. The big old cemetery hole will open up like a tunnel. A hand of this a flap. Your mama crutches will open up when she not have one a hand of the big and flap. That and that is it. First of all, when are coming and talking about me a show off myself for try to impress and me go spend money when me not have. Where me say me go spend money when me not have? So me not working. No uno out there have no house and no car and stressed out. Me not have no house and car. No uno say me don't have no place to live and me not pay rent. So if me not pay rent, obviously all the money going on pocket. So who not talking to? Who not phone money? Me want to ask them little up tunnel dirty girl. Chin, big hole, batty boy GT buzz. Stinking, rotten, leaky, parasite, crabbles, Ashanti 360. Yeah. Warring, dirty girl, Portland. And all of the rest. I kill this dirty people and what talk about me. I jealous, not jealous because I don't have the money for it. I don't have the money, I don't have nothing. I cannot throw myself a party. Have you people ever had a party before? Have any one of you who are speaking about me, could you afford a place like that? Do you have any party? Do anybody know who know? Or anybody know who know? The only time people know who know is when they come on social media. Oh, no, nobody. The only time somebody know who know, dirty girl at Jamaica, is when time man come forget to know. When we sell on a crutch to them, for mine on a hungry belly pitney. Nobody know no? Una relevant? And me, Marcia Campbell, make una relevant boy. Una wasn't relevant. Una can't talk about me. And a phone money spend. Did I come on social media and lie to people? How tickets sell off and ticket never sell? Did I get any charity? Did I have to call the people them to buy ticket for other people to come there? No. Did I come there, come get in a spirit and reading Bible verse and tie up made like a hobby woman to get people to buy a ticket? Did I come out here and pressure anyone I know? I will stop when I feel like stop. Even though I made the videotape yesterday and send me a tap, come blood clot, bumper pussy clot to make me stop now. Let me make it bumbleclad clear. Make Plankatarians keep one more blood clot party for this year. The same way you all sabotage my party and write how you people are going to call the Planka them or going to call ICE to come at my party and make the people who could have come at my party come enjoy them life never came. At the same way me going to call blood clot ICE when who no keep anything as long as Donald Trump have the rules and regulation there in America and your blood clot boss keep anything, ICE will be showing up there whether they're Timbuktu or anywhere. And I for a blood clot I wanna think when I get her with it, tell her if you keep nothing and see if ICE not show up there. Tell her if you keep anything and see if ICE not show up there. The same way when a blood clot sabotage mine, I will do the same thing too. Wanna take this thing for? The same way you come on social media come sabotage mine. So my people who didn't have no paperwork couldn't come enjoy themselves. Keep one more blood clot boy. You see like how me no care if 1 or 2 or 3 come. Because any party me I keep is for me. Marcia, make me a big blood clot deal like that. So you see any party me I keep and the money me I keep it for. Me I keep it for enjoyment. Me not keep if you buy no blood clot house and all who come and talk about house. Me never have to sell no front for buy no house. Me never have to work 3 jobs for buy no house. Me not have to go take up man when a blood clot want me from Jamaica, east, west, north and south to come stay with you know. For go help when I pay bills. Me a free single woman. So you see when me a keep party, I'm not showing anything, it's for me. It's for me. And who talk about house and furniture, go and take it up and push it up on a big blood clot cunt. Or on a front. Or on a PUSSY. That's all. Take it and push it up there on a furniture and everything. The only thing count on this earth here is Jesus to have salvation. Not house. Not car. That not necessary. Because a lot of millions of people in this world and them don't have no house and we still living and we still look blood clot better than I know we have house. Bumbo pussy clot girl, as she just reached 50 and at 5 years now she start to look like a smaddy with blood clot charity pussy clot money. Me work, me look nice same way with my money when me work. Me the charity never pay for this a wig here. No charity never pay for this a glass here. No charity never pay for this a clothes here. Me never get no hands out. I never get no clothes from Goodwill and Salvation Army. Me never thief no charity money. So, to build up myself, we a poor ass blood clot girl like that get money for build a house here. Eh? How much money come through Western Union, MoneyGram and Zelle and Cash App? Tell her if you come take me a bumbo clock quote. How much money did me auntie send her, my Facebook auntie send her from California and send to Carol bank account, Zelle, to give to her? How much? Ask her how much. And ask her if she call her and ask her if you fire burn her up. Ask her. Ask her how much money was donated to Siloni house. Ask her now. Ask her who help out her 2 daughters them before she get rich in a charity. Ask her. Ask her who help her daughter rent. And where she get money from. Buy up the first set of things them when she start talking about. Ask her. Ask her no. Well, let me see her keep one more blood clot party around here. I will be coming here to disturbance. If my people who don't have no paperwork can't come to my party in peace, who do not have no peace blood clot either. And remember, me living in my means. And I can afford to live in my means. Me nah live uptown life and live like the Joneses. So I satisfied with where me I work and whatever I can live on until death come. Me nah live over my budget. Me I live in a my budget. So guess what? I don't have not a blood clot to lose because me nah supply nothing to she or the old lady. I mean, I come on social media can express or impress nobody. Me have a milk up is a whole week them and me have plenty clothes and boot can last me for another 20 years. So I don't have nothing to lose.